In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Google Calendar. This is really useful if you've moved to a new location, you're traveling, or you work with people in different parts of the world. Having the wrong time zone set can cause meetings to show at the wrong time, reminders to fire too early or too late, and a lot of confusion. So let's walk through how to update it properly. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use multiple accounts. You should see your calendar view with your events laid out by day, week, or month. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of calendars. Find the calendar you want to adjust, then hover your mouse over its name. When you hover over it, a small icon with 3 vertical dots will appear next to that calendar. Click on those 3 dots to open more options. A small menu will pop up. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings and Sharing and click on it. This will take you to a dedicated settings page for that specific calendar, where you can control how it behaves and how it appears. On the settings page, scroll until you find the section related to time zone. Look for the option that mentions your primary time zone. There should be a link or button that says something like, Set my primary time zone. Click on that. Once you click it, you'll see a drop-down or a list of available time zones. Click on the arrow in that drop-down to expand the full list. Carefully scroll through and choose the time zone that matches your current location or the one you want your calendar to follow. Take a moment to double check you're picking the right region and city, especially if your country spans multiple time zones. After you select your new time zone, Google Calendar will automatically update and display your events according to this setting. You don't usually need to click a separate save button. Google saves these changes for you right away. It's a good idea to glance over a few upcoming events to confirm that their times now look correct. And that's it. You've successfully changed the time zone in Google Calendar, helping ensure that your events and reminders line up accurately with your actual day.